Indians are deficient in vitamin B12, and unfortunately, most people aren't even aware of this. So, there are two main reasons why a crucial vitamin like B12 is missing or deficient in the Indian population. Number one is that we are not consuming enough B12 rich food. So, B12 is primarily found in animal based food, and that too mostly in meat. So Indians, for all practical purposes, are vegetarians or occasional non-vegetarians. So we don't consume as much B12 rich food as some of the other populations, and that is why we have a higher percentage of B12 deficient people. And second reason is your gut may not be absorbing well. So this is another common issue among elderly, especially like people who use a lot of antacids, a lot of medications, they eat unhealthy junk food and their gut is not up to the mark, then there is an absorption issue as well. So when you combine both of this, you get a proper B12 deficiency. So B12 is very, very crucial for your energy levels, for your overall health, your metabolism, and it's very important in so many levels. And when you are deficient in B12, you will have a lot of symptoms, which includes things like tingling sensation at your extremities, your hands, your feet. You might have a chronic fatigue. You might have an unexplained fatigue. If you have, then you should get B12 tested. You might have a jaundiced skin. You have anxiety. You can have mood swings. You can have depression. So there are of course other reasons for these, but B12 deficiency can also mimic many of these conditions, including autism. So if you are dealing with any of this, the first thing you should do is to make sure that your B12 levels are up to the mark. And it's also very important for pregnant women to get adequate B12. So if you are a vegetarian or if you are having a very low B12 levels for some reasons, then consult a doctor and get the adequate supplement. And if it is very low, then you might require an injection, which again a doctor will prescribe it to you. So B12 is very critical. Some of the damage it does can be irreversible. So take it seriously, get your B12 tested regularly, and make sure it's up to the mark. Bye.